Our natural resources will not be around forever, which is why an immediate practical solution to our energy problem is worth further scientific exploration. As we seek alternatives to fossil fuels, biomass is one of the most abundant and tangible resources available to us. It can be used to manufacture renewable transportation fuels, renewable energy, bioplastics, carbon fiber, adhesives, and a host of other materials. Experts say to help ensure that biomass is a major part of the transition and stabilization of the future economy, we need to advance policy and research initiatives.
Biomass has been used by our ancestors for centuries. Corn has been used for food, and now it's used for biofuels. But we've used cotton for clothes, we've used trees to make paper, and now we're trying to use some of those same feedstocks. Fossil fuels and plants both have carbon in them, so it just makes sense that when we're trying to replace fossil fuels, we look to plants for those new feedstocks. In the recent past, biofuels have really been hindered by some government policies that have either restricted funding for grants or restricted access to new feedstocks. There's a lot of ways that governmental policies can really help biofuels industry take off and create a more sustainable economy.
An innovative technology company focused on the development and production of next-generation advanced biofuels, bio-based carbon fiber, and plastics, Attis Industries is passionate about bringing real, cost-effective, and sustainable solutions to the market.
At Attis Industries, our mission is to recycle the carbon that's already in the atmosphere, harvesting it directly from biomass that's above the ground. So today, we extract petroleum and natural gas from underground, and we use that to manufacture fuels and durable goods, energy for our homes. At Attis, we believe the next technological revolution will originate from a sustainable agricultural sector. We'll be able to bring higher revenues to farmers, rural communities through the production of advanced biofuels, bioplastics, sustainable energy for homes, while creating a stable bioeconomy.
A diverse organization with businesses in the environmental technology and healthcare sectors, Attis is working to educate policymakers and the general public on how bio-based products such as renewable fuels, green power, carbon fiber, and bioplastics can be easily manufactured from renewable sources of carbon.
While we want to ensure that biofuels and bio-based materials come from sustainably sourced biomass, the industry has really been restricted like no other industries have. Fossil fuels have been able to pump whatever they want to out of the ground. Attis has joined multiple industry associations of like-minded companies that are looking to advance interest of biofuels and bio-based producers. We've also joined forces with local farmers, local truckers, manufacturing associations to really try to include everyone as we grow this economy.
Here at its corn ethanol plant in Fulton, New York, Attis is working toward implementing its proprietary processes and groundbreaking technology to convert local energy crops, such as short rotation trees like willow and low-value forestry byproducts like pulpwood and sawdust, into a full range of ultra-efficient fuels, bioplastics, natural adhesives, and carbon fiber.
Attis chose this location in Fulton, New York because the state of New York has very aggressive carbon reduction goals, where by the year 2050 they hope to be a net zero emitter of carbon emissions. Attis's engineers have developed a process where we utilize organic solvents to convert biomass and energy crops into their derivatives, sugars and polymers, that we use to convert over into advanced biofuels, sustainable energy, or other advanced products like bioplastics or carbon fiber.
Attis believes that there are some simple things that can be done at the federal level, especially within the EPA, that can quicken approval rates for new bio-based feedstocks for biofuels and also increase the blending of biofuels in the marketplace. Fossil fuel companies have made trillions pumping carbon from below the ground and delivering it to the pump. It's time to let American farmers and landowners grow their own carbon reserves above ground and sell them to companies like Attis, who can turn them into more useful products.
Attis Industries is uniquely positioned to be able to replicate what we're doing here at our Fulton Ethanol campus all over the world. Our process is uniquely designed to be able to take virtually any form of biomass and convert its various derivatives into multiple different types of bio-based materials. So we think that by taking those materials and utilizing it all over the world, we can bring real sustainable value to rural communities by increasing farmers' value per acre and lowering the cost of what everyday goods are today by utilizing bio-based materials.
Through its steadfast commitment, the continued support of policymakers, and a robust market for renewable energy, Attis Industries is poised to be the preeminent producer of sustainable fuels and products in the United States and the world, and build a more resilient workforce and bioeconomy in the process.